Hey guys, welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Brian, and today we're going to continue on the 1935 Chevy Standard sedan build. Been a lot of sanding and buffing and blocking primer and all of that crazy stuff, and now that that's done, well, we're going to start building on interior stuff. So I don't know how familiar you all are with construction of cars, but like all these cars, you've got the window used to roll up and down on the quarters of this, and we're just going to glue them in solid in place. And they have moldings on the inside. They're called Garnish Mouldings, and the side windows have them, the back glass, the windshield. The doors used to have them, and when I reconstructed these and I got rid of all the wood, I built all of this just from scratch. So that we're not going to worry about, but in here I never fully fitted these moldings in the beginning of the project, or when I was building all of the square tubing framework you can see over on the other side there. So I've had to go in and kind of, I don't know, rough engineer maybe. All right, so you kind of saw that go together. Just tack welding pieces in so that we have a place to put screws. I could have done a little better planning when I built this initially, but like you have to understand, guys, this car was just a shell with a bunch of rotten wood. I'll see if I can insert some pictures to relate where it was and where we're at now. So I do have this mounted, so I think my interior board will fit. We can leave the material along and just curl it back under, and this will set in and kind of close it out. Back here where these curves are, that's going to be a whole nother deal. This curve in here, I think we're going to do us some fiberglass magic here and just build us a fiberglass panel that we can upholster and make that fiberglass panel include this curve as well. I'm not sure. I haven't gotten that far. I did go ahead and just weld some tubing up here so we have some place to screw, and then I don't know how this is working out with our gaps and everything there. I'm sure it will. There's some guys that do upholstery work that are miracle workers. If you're one of those guys and you're near the Bartlesville area, let me know. And maybe we could get together and do some kind of collaboration or who knows what. All right. Careful. Yeah. Get it to fit is something else. It's like my opening is about a 1/4 inch off. And yeah, I think we can make her work. All right, so nothing better than welding inches away from a roof that you've got a whole lot of time invested in. So you can kind of see they're just big healthy tack welds, guys. Both sides are done. Now this little bow is in here, so we have some place to hang a little light off of. Sometimes it's a little stuff. I've been gonna do this, but I think I held off because I was wanting to paint the, put that 415 on. We did that a long time ago. All right, guys, so we're in here, and first step, clean with Sprayway. Blow it out, vacuum it, all that. And I just dropped that. That was good. We're going to be putting this sound deadening product on here, and I believe it's made by Fat Mat. It's something that has been around for a while. You just got to get the backing where you can peel it off of it. There we go. All right, so ooh, that sucks. This is going to be a heck of a deal if it all goes like that. Okay, just don't be in such a big hurry. Super sticky. So I'm going to put this one centered up over the top of the wheel well. Come on, darling. Just fall down in there, dang it. It is super sticky stuff. Da-da-da-da-da. There we go. Come on now. Come on now. Get yourself back behind there. Come on. Get this stuff up here in these wheel wells so that when we're doing the big smoky burnouts with the 14.5-to-1 full roller big block Chevy, we don't hear it on the inside, but everybody hears it on the outside. Yeah. All right, guys, I've been lacking on getting stuff done. Man, hadn't that opened good? Like 1935 model car, and just snap, it's open. It's the vice grips. That's got to be what's making it work so good. So, get a little light on the subject here. You can see both sides, quarters are done, wheel wells. That's plenty of this material on there. The roof is done. We got it all the way up to here. Put this bow in there. I'm going to come back and put some foam in between this and stuff, but it just got really cold in Hog Shooter America. For this part of the country this time of year, it's usually not quite this cold, but it's like going to be 22 degrees. Our foam, it doesn't work good when it's that cold. It's like probably in the lower 50s out here in the shop right now. So we want to wait for warmer weather before we foam anything or any of that stuff. It's not something that's going to hold us up. I really wanted to get this sound deadening material in just because it was warm, and I know that it likes it when it's warmer. And I mean, look at this stuff, this roll. There's still that much material left on it after doing everything that we did. The back part of this, I'm thinking we may end up with a wood floor look in the very back there, and then come straight to the back of the seats and have a little storage compartment under here. That's dreams that are going on in my mind right now. Should look really good. But I think we've done about all we can do this video on the old car. So she shuts nice, she opens good, looks pretty cool. Just got to get back on the biggest part. I know everybody wants me to start it, but I'm like, I'm gonna wire it and do all that stuff before I actually try to fire it up. I did want to show you, got my stockpile of parts here on carpet so they don't get messed up. I got all the garnish moldings done. Somehow through the magic of YouTube and like a camera operator that sucks, we didn't get the actual painting process, but you saw how nasty they were and how much work we put into them. And that's kind of the way stuff goes with these old cars. Those things are actually just about the way a lot of the parts for this car were when we started on it. So looking good. Hey, I'm just rambling. I want to ask you guys to hit that thumbs up button on my video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want me to see done. Maybe you've got a flair for building the interiors of these cars. I certainly, it's not my strong point, so I would be open to suggestions. Hit the notification bell. Consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. It's free for y'all. And we will catch you guys on the next video.